Your best possible chance at pregnancy and parenthood, Reproductive Health and Wellness Center celebrates 1 year since opening their doors to reconceive fertility care for everyone. Dr. Marcus Rosenkrantz, an award-winning fertility specialist, started this innovative and state-of-the-art IVF center with the idea of looking at more than blood tests and sperm counts. We are reinventing the way fertility is treated, and we have helped hundreds of families so far. Here are 3 reasons why patients choose us to be a part of their fertility journey. See your doctor at every visit. Our boutique setting. High quality care at a lower cost.
Over the last 15 years, I've had the privilege of being a part of helping patients grow and build their families, and it's truly the best part of what we do here. I've never had a better EMR system in order to communicate with patients. Some patients prefer text, some prefer email, others prefer virtual consults, and we're able to do all of that here at the center.
We provide the latest in cutting-edge embryo science by using the latest technologies, and we create innovative fertility plans tailored specifically to each individual. But we're so much more.
I have been doing infertility for 15 years and love being able to help people expand their families and guide them through this journey. Our boutique center allows for a more personalized, one-on-one fertility experience. We know each patient by name, and you'll never feel like a number here. We are able to spend quality time with each patient, answering all their questions and walking them through every step of the way.
We do what no one else is doing by integrating science with wellness, by bringing tradition together with innovation. Because when body and mind are aligned and working together, the process of fertility becomes easier.
I'm Dr. Marcus Rosenkrantz, and I'm the founder of Reproductive Health and Wellness Center. After practicing medicine and treating infertility for over 10 years, I knew that we could do a better job for our patients. I was inspired to open an IVF center with a new vision and a new mission to provide the highest quality care at the lowest prices. A center that utilized the newest technologies and most modern laboratory equipment. A center that provided the most comprehensive fertility care possible, with resources like nutrition, acupuncture, and therapy under one roof. A center where patients were welcomed with open arms and treated like family, not like they were just another person waiting for their number to be called. A center where patients could expect to see me at every visit.
At Reproductive Health and Wellness Center, we believe in giving patients higher quality care at a lower cost. We are currently partnered with several financing companies.
Since our first year of opening, patients have saved thousands of dollars on fertility treatments. We have committed to making infertility treatments affordable to all. Through our partnerships, we are able to offer customized loan programs with highly competitive rates that include a variety of loan types. At Reproductive Health and Wellness Center, we strive to make lifelong relationships with our patients by giving them the best outcomes and the best possible service, because that is what we're all about. We instill hope when they need it most and offer a shoulder to lean on during challenging times. We truly look forward to being a part of your journey in the coming years ahead.